25 sentences using the word beside. She placed her purse beside the chair. The dog sat quietly beside its owner. Beside the river, there was a beautiful park. He stood beside his friend during the ceremony. She kept her book beside the bed. Beside the house, there is a small garden.
He left his shoes beside the door.
The car was parked beside the sidewalk.
She pulled up a chair and sat beside him. Beside the lake, they had a lovely picnic.
He placed his keys beside the lamp on the table.
The cat curled up beside the fireplace.
She sat beside her mother and held her hand.
Beside the mountain, the valley looked even more beautiful. He placed the flowers beside the grave.
She knelt beside the child and comforted her. Beside the main road, there is a quaint little cafe.
He stood beside her during the difficult time.
She set the alarm clock beside the bed.
Beside the bookshelf, there is a comfortable armchair.
The dog slept peacefully beside the couch. She walked beside him along the beach.
Beside the fireplace, there is a basket of firewood.
He placed his coffee cup beside the newspaper. Beside the building, there is a parking lot.